Hey, this is Paul from Smart Easy DIY. Today I wanted to show you a quick tip that I learned how to fix gaps and cracks in laminate flooring when it's popping apart. You want to do a quick and easy fix. I'll show you what I did to fix it very easily. So what you will need is a double suction cup like this and a rubber hammer. I'll include a link in the video description below the video where you can find this. They're very inexpensive, like 10 bucks for the suction cup. And it works really well with being a double suction cup like this because it is really strong that way. It has a lot more grip. And also this one in particular has an aluminum handle so it doesn't break when you pound on it. You're not going to be pounding that hard, but just gently. This should work very well as long as your planking is more than 4.5 inches. That's how wide these suction cups are. If it's narrower than that, like some of my narrow ones, which I talk later in the video about, it doesn't work for this really narrow stuff, so I still have to find a smaller suction cup for that. But if you can find a rugged, heavy-duty, smaller suction cup, I think that would work just fine for the narrow planking, if you are in the same situation as I am with having multi-width planking. So first, if you're worried about dirt, I would vacuum this out. Grab your suction cup and lock it into place. So I'm going to start with this gap right here and keep going all the way down to this cabinet. And yes, I am in my pajamas doing this because I am home alone. Alright, so I started right here by this couch and I went all the way down to the cabinet down there. It's probably about 25 feet. It was quite a few sections to do, but I seem to have a low spot in my floor right here. So this is the one that was the worst. Now you can see it's completely tight. So there's 5 planks, 6 joints. And it goes under this pantry cabinet right there. And I did it all the way down to the last one, and that is tight as well. So I do have a gap in my narrow floor there as well, but I'm gonna have to get a narrower suction cup. I've been having a hard time finding one that's small enough for this really narrow stuff. Because the narrow stuff is only 3.5 inches, then it's 5.5 and 7.5 on my width. So the 5.5 one, this works great because this suction cup is like 4.5 inches. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.